Hey guys, happy Thursday, I'm back. So if you've missed part 1 and part 2 where we turned a old book into a journal, I'll link those below. Today what I'm going to do is just get color down on the first pages. Very simple if you want to grab your watercolors. I'm just going to swatch, that's all I'm doing, because I think the hardest part with a new journal is getting color down or getting the first pages done. So I'm just going to swatch onto the beginning pages, and I am using these Ruben Floral Watercolors. I did do a video on them, and I will link the information in the description. They're not the highlight right now, but I am using them, and they're amazing. So I know I struggle getting color down on a new journal or a page done, so I'm just literally starting to get color down, that's all. This is not obviously watercolor paper, so probably need to go a little easier on the water. I'm trying to figure out the best way to do this. Let's see, maybe that'll work. You might not be able to see my palette the whole time, I'm not sure. But I thought I would do kind of, for this journal, I thought we would do different textures, different medias on each page. Obviously we'll repeat, but just do different techniques. Because this for me is going to be an art journal. You can do whatever whatever theme you'd like. It's going to be kind of a reference journal for me, so I'm going to try out techniques I've never tried. I'm just going to add, use different colors. And then, I can flip through it in the future if I want ideas for videos or for my own crafting. I just think it'll be fun to have different styles and techniques in it. So anyways, that's what I'm doing. And I'm just adding some color here. I probably should have made that a little smaller, but it's all right. Try not to use too much water here. Happy medium. It's okay if it kind of drunches and blends, and because it's an art journal, so I want it to be a little messy. But, and then maybe when these are dry, let's do a purple. I love this purple. You might not be able to see it yet, but here it is. When these dry, I might outline them. I might label them. I don't know. For now, I'm just doing the color. You can use Walmart cheap paints too. Those work. I started out using those, and I still go back to them every now and then. You don't need fancy watercolors. I just happen to love this set because of the color palette. Very neon. Even that's even brighter. I just, it's the way I did it for now. Now I'm trying to think what route I want to go. Maybe I'll do a brown. Oh, actually this is another hue of yellow. That's fine. I'm just swatching it out. Maybe I'll do maybe on this page I'll do circular swatches. That might be, let me double check them in frame. Yes, I am. Okay. All right, so I was doing kind of a rainbow pattern there. What I think I'm going to do, guys, is do, these will be smaller swatches. I'm going to do the rainbow the opposite direction. Oh, let's see. Oopsie. Here. Uh-oh, okay. Let me fix. I got too much water on there. All right. Okay. Let's see if I got that orange off my brush. Yeah, but this set is very, very, very bold. I'll swatch the other colors on the other page. So yeah, if you guys have ideas for, my theme for this one, of course, is art journaling. If you have ideas on things you want to try out or that you've done, give me the ideas in the comments. I'll check them out. I would love to try different methods of creating art in this journal. And as I go, I may remove more pages. In video 2, I did remove a bunch of pages, but I'm kind of one that plays it by ear as I go. If I find that it's getting a little bit too chunky, I'll just keep removing pages. It really all depends on how much I add to my journals. I am a huge, I like to make tucks and pockets and add, snippet strips and page borders. So we'll do all sorts of things like that. Let's see, what color should I do there? Maybe I'll do, I don't know. I already got yellow. Let's see, maybe I'll do, I'll do another blue here. Why not? Because I'm just playing around. It's a dark blue, okay. All right. Oops. So anyways, guys, I'm just hopping on for a quick short video to get this journal started. We'll do page 2 soon. I just wanted to, I'm not gonna be able to do the opposite side right now because this is wet. Let me add a little bit more color here. I'm obsessed with this neon pink or whatever, fuchsia, I don't know what it is, but because I didn't write the colors down because I don't truly care. That's just my style. But look at these paper towels that are getting dyed from using my brush on it and stuff. So those are fun. Anyway, guys, so let me know what you end up doing with your first pages in your journal down below, and we'll get started. Bye.